Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today we're exploring 5 smart robotic window cleaners designed to make glass cleaning easier and more automated. From compact robots for small windows to advanced systems for larger glass surfaces, each of these devices brings unique features to help keep windows clean. Let's get started. Number 5. ECOVACS Winbot Mini. The ECOVACS Winbot Mini is a compact robotic window cleaner designed for smaller or hard-to-reach windows. With dimensions of about 215 by 215 by 55 millimeters, it's significantly thinner and smaller than earlier models, making it ideal for apartments or office windows. It uses ultrasonic atomization spray to produce a fine mist for cleaning, and relies on WinSlam 3.0 navigation to plan efficient cleaning paths with up to 99.5% edge coverage. The robot operates quietly at about 63 decibels and cleans at roughly 3 minutes per square meter. A 9-stage safety system, including sensors, safety ropes, and an emergency battery, helps keep the device secure during operation. Number 4. Liectroux S9. The Liectroux S9 is a high-suction robotic window cleaner equipped with 9,000 pascals of suction power and dual roller brushes for removing stubborn dirt. Its 6-way water pump spray system provides even coverage across the glass surface. Navigation is handled by a gyroscope system that guides the robot in Z or N cleaning paths. It also includes 8 photoelectric microswitch sensors for accurate edge detection on frameless windows. The robot supports control through Tuya or Smart Life apps and comes with a remote control with a range of up to 20 meters, along with a backup battery and safety rope for additional protection. Number 3. ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro Omni. The ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro Omni is a station-powered window cleaning robot designed for thorough cleaning on larger surfaces. It features an advanced edge cleaning mode that improves edge coverage by up to 65%. The robot uses 3 wide-angle spray nozzles for even atomization and supports wet mopping to help remove dirt and stains. Powered by the WinSlam 4.0 navigation system, it offers improved cleaning efficiency and smooth obstacle avoidance. Through the ECOVACS Home app, users can choose from several cleaning modes, including fast, deep, edge, and heavy-duty cleaning. Number 2. ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro. The ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro is a cordless robotic window cleaner designed for large glass areas. It features 2,800 pascals of suction power and a dual-direction cross-auto spray system that helps break down dirt during cleaning. Using the WinSlam 3.0 navigation system, the robot follows a structured back-and-forth cleaning path while detecting edges quickly. It includes microfiber pads for streak-free results, a 60-minute battery runtime, and a 60-milliliter water tank. App control allows users to monitor cleaning progress in real time. Number 1. ECOVACS Winbot W1 S Omni. The ECOVACS Winbot W1 S Omni is a multifunctional robotic window cleaner with station-powered mobility lasting up to 110 minutes. It delivers strong 8,000 pascal suction and uses the WinSlam 4.0 system for efficient path planning. Its True Edge technology enables precise edge cleaning with high-speed pads rotating at 200 revolutions per minute. The robot offers multiple cleaning modes, such as fast, deep, edge, spot, and heavy-duty cleaning. With frame detection, anti-slip treads, an 80-milliliter water tank, and several safety protections, it is designed to clean large glass surfaces quickly and securely. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews. See you in the next video.